Are you tired of scrolling through endless make money online schemes that promise the world but rarely deliver? Imagine turning book recommendations into a steady stream of income without having to read a single page. In this video, we're about to reveal the ultimate side hustle for 2023 that's perfect for beginners. Stay tuned, because financial success is just a few steps away. But before we dive in, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on money-making opportunities like this one. Step 1. Sparking ideas with ChatGPT. Now that we're ready to kickstart your side hustle, it's time to harness the incredible power of ChatGPT. Just hop on over to this fantastic platform and ask the chatbot a simple question. In my case, I'm going to ask it to curate the top 5 books in the relationship niche. However, you can choose any niche that piques your interest, be it business, romance, self-help, finance, fitness, or beyond. As you can see, ChatGPT has swiftly generated a list of 5 highly recommended books. We've got The 5 Love Languages by Gary Chapman and more on the list. Step 2. Turning books into income. Now, here's where the magic happens, turning these book recommendations into a steady online income stream. The best part? You won't need to read these books to make it work. I'm about to reveal how to do this effortlessly. Introducing Audible.com. This is a fantastic platform that allows you to enjoy book content in audio format. This is a game changer for those who prefer to listen to audiobooks during their commute, at the gym, or in a relaxed setting. And remember, Audible is owned by the retail giant, Amazon. Begin by copying one of the book titles from your list. For example, I'll take the first title, The 5 Love Languages. Now, head over to audible.com and paste the book title you copied into Audible's search bar and hit that enter key to see if the book is available. In my case, this book is available on the platform, which is fantastic news. But here's where the money-making magic truly begins, and I'll guide you through it in our next step. So, stay with me to uncover this income-generating secret. Before you get too excited, though, make sure to double-check with ChatGPT that all the books on your list are indeed available on Audible. If any of the audiobooks are not on Audible, you won't be able to maximize your earnings. So, as demonstrated, copy each book title and ensure its availability on the platform. Step 3. Crafting a book summary. Now that you've identified your audiobook, it's time to create a valuable resource for potential listeners. We're talking about a 2,000-word summary of the book that you can provide to your audience. It's easier than you might think, thanks to ChatGPT. To begin, ask ChatGPT to generate a 2,000-word summary of the book. Just insert the book's name and let the AI work its magic. Here's how it works. Type "Create a 2,000-word summary of the book" and add the book's title. Once you've hit enter, watch in awe as the AI swiftly generates a detailed summary of the book's content. Step 4. Transforming text into visuals. Welcome to the part where we take your book summary to the next level, making it visually engaging and attractive. To do this, we're going to utilize Kittle, a fantastic graphic design tool you can find at kittel.com. If you haven't heard of Kittle before, it's time to acquaint yourself with it because it's a game changer. As you explore Kittle, you'll discover that it offers an extensive library of pre-made templates, numbering in the hundreds of thousands, if not millions, and they're all available for free. But what truly sets Kittle apart is its integration of AI into their software. With this remarkable AI tool, all you need to do is provide simple prompts, and it will craft any image or artwork you desire in mere seconds. The best part? It generates entirely non-copyrighted images, ensuring you have the freedom to use them within your book summary. Navigate to the AI Tools section and select Create with Kittle AI. Click on Image Generator from the options available in the left-hand panel. Here, you can input descriptive text to generate your desired image. To get started, read the introduction of your book in ChatGPT to grasp its essence. For instance, if your book's theme revolves around a happy young couple, that's precisely what you'll type into Kittle to generate the ideal image. Once the AI-generated image is ready, ensure it fits the entire canvas size and then click Download on the right side, saving it as a PNG or JPEG file. This image will not only make your article more visually appealing but also captivate your readers. If you're using Kindle without a paid plan, you can still utilize their images. However, you must provide credit to Kindle by acknowledging that you're using their images. If you prefer not to attribute them, you can simply opt for a paid plan. Aim to gather at least 4 to 5 images as a minimum to ensure your article remains engaging and retains readers for longer periods. The longer users stay on your article, reading your book summary, the more income you can generate. So, remember this key strategy to maximize your earnings. Before we proceed to our next crucial step, if you're finding this tutorial valuable, we'd greatly appreciate your support. Simply hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to let us know you're with us. Now, let's dive right back in. Step 5. Turning links into earnings. Now, here's the exciting part. Every time someone clicks on your link and signs up for the free Audible trial, you'll earn $5. Yes, you heard that right, a straightforward, no-cost trial, and you're making money. If they decide to upgrade to the Gold membership, you'll pocket an additional $10, totaling $15 for each successful conversion. Plus, for every book they download, you'll earn an extra 50 cents. The Audible affiliate program is remarkably lucrative, and the beauty of it is that readers don't need to purchase the book for you to earn. To get started, you'll need to become an Audible affiliate by clicking on Become an Affiliate. Fill in the required information about yourself, including your name, address, and social media accounts for promotional purposes. Once you've completed this process, you can access your affiliate links in the Your Books section. Next, we'll infuse our book summaries with these affiliate links, strategically placing them within the articles. When readers engage with these links, that's your opportunity to earn. Step 6. Power of Medium. Now that you've assembled your compelling book summary and polished it with eye-catching images, it's time to drive traffic to your content and ultimately, your affiliate links. We're about to tap into a traffic source that garners a staggering 138 million monthly views, Medium. This platform is immensely popular, boasting a large monthly visitor base and a strong presence on Google. It's an excellent starting point for beginners, offering superb opportunities to make money. Begin by heading over to medium.com, essentially a social media platform where you can share various content, including your book summaries and articles. The best part? You can create your account in a matter of seconds, and it's entirely free. Once you've set up your account, click on Write in the top right-hand corner. Here, you can enter your article's title, or if you prefer, you can have ChatGPT suggest one for you. Copy the title, then paste it directly into Medium. With your book summary at the ready, simply copy and paste it into your Medium article. This summary will serve as the core of your content. Enhance your article's appeal by adding the images that we generated earlier. Click the plus button and select Add Image to upload your chosen images into your Medium article. Now, let's make the magic happen. Insert your affiliate links to start earning money through Medium. You can get these links from the Audible program after approval. To hyperlink your affiliate links within the article, highlight the relevant text, click on the link button, paste the link, and hit enter. To make it stand out, consider making the hyperlink text bold and add a compelling call to action, such as "Get access to this book for free." Hyperlink this text as well. When readers click on these hyperlinks, they'll be directed to your affiliate links, and you'll earn $5 when they sign up for the free trial and an additional $10 when they upgrade to the Gold membership. To ensure your article reaches a broader audience, add relevant keywords. After that, you can choose to publish it immediately or schedule it for later. The key to success with this strategy is consistency. Create as many book summaries as possible, leveraging ChatGPT's recommendations to keep the content flowing. In conclusion, seize this opportunity to transform your knowledge into earnings with this simple, lucrative side hustle. Are you ready to embark on your journey to financial success? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips and strategies.